Welcome back. You're listening to the Enterprise Joy podcast, Enterprise Strategies for Leaders in Under 5 Minutes. I'm Vishal, your mover and shaker of turning collaboration into measurable outcomes. Yesterday, we rolled up our sleeves and diagnosed silos. We mapped a real journey, separated doing from waiting, and probably circled 2 or 3 painful bottlenecks. That gave us the evidence. Now comes the harder part, alignment. Because if the scorecard still rewards people for winning in their silos, then the waiting time will keep growing, no matter how many maps we draw. So today we'll build what I call a shared outcome scorecard. Think of it as a sheet of music for your orchestra, a single score that every section reads from. So brilliance in one musician actually adds up to the performance of the whole orchestra. But first, why shared outcomes even matter? Harvard's Heidi Gardner and Ivan Matviak studied collaboration across professional firms and found something almost embarrassingly simple. When people are measured only on local wins, they don't collaborate. But when incentives reflect shared outcomes, collaboration becomes the job. In fact, the Balanced Scorecard framework, still taught in top business schools, is designed to balance 4 perspectives: the financial, customer, process, and learning. And decades later, its core principle still holds true. Align measures to the enterprise outcome, not the department. So here's how you can build one with your team in about 45 minutes. First, name the enterprise outcome. Use the map from yesterday. Maybe it's reducing the onboarding lead time from 19 days to 10 days without increasing compliance risk. In our context of enterprise outcomes, it has to be something that's end-to-end and not just marketing leads or engineering velocity. Second, pick 3 to 5 outcomes that matter to everyone. It can be a customer's lens, like time to value or net promoter score. It can be a flow lens, like the lead time or the percentage time in queue. It can be the quality lens, like defect escape rate or compliance exceptions. Or it can be a learning lens, like cross-functional reviews or skills build. For tech journeys, the DORA metrics are brilliant. The lead time, deployment frequency, change fail rate, and recovery time, they are all proven to link directly to organizational performance. Third, blend personal and collective goals. A simple split works: 50% of performance tied to role-specific delivery, 50% tied to that of shared outcomes. McKinsey's research shows that when appraisals move to the team level for cross-functional work, behavior changes fast. People start optimizing the system, not their silos. Fourth, make the ownership visible. For each outcome, list the joint owners from every critical function. So if sales, risk, and engineering are all in play, you'll see all 3 names next to that metric. According to Gardner's research, when credit is visibly shared, so is the accountability. Fifth, define thresholds and trade-offs. Don't just say improve. Set a minimum, a target, and a best-in-class band. Then add one simple ground rule. For example, quality and compliance are non-negotiable. This prevents speed from cannibalizing trust. And finally, sixth, standardize cadence. Review the scorecard weekly with the same set of graphs. No anecdotes, no ad hoc slides. DORA's data makes it explicit. Consistent automated measures are what drives change. So here's your activity for today. Draft a 1-page scorecard for the journey you mapped yesterday. 3 to 5 shared outcomes, joint owners, thresholds, and a weekly heartbeat. Then test it with the leaders who shared that journey. And if you do this and uncover a metric that changes the conversation, write to me at podcast@enterprisejoy.com. I would love to hear about it. Tomorrow we'll move from scorecards to system design. How do you actually structure teams around value streams? Create clear team APIs and shape your org chart so that your product reflects Conway's law, not by accident, but by design. That's all for today. You were listening to me, Vishal, on the Enterprise Joy podcast, Enterprise Strategies for Leaders in Under 5 Minutes. So draft your shared outcome scorecard today. I'll see you tomorrow.